Let's talk about making money, monetizing your group. So there's 4 kind of life paths of someone who enters Skool and starts a Skool community. The first and easiest one is that you can just keep your community free forever. And that's totally fine. It's a better platform, it's more engaging, you guarantee the reach of all your posts, people can interact with each other, you have leaderboards, you can unlock content, making sure they actually share it and refer people back to you. There's tons of amazing features that make Skool superior to any other platform for just providing value. At the next level, you might start with this and then switch to paid over time. Now, to be clear, you can't start everyone for free and then switch to paid and then all of them are getting billed. That would be unethical. And so if you switch to paid, everyone who's free will be grandfathered in at free. Now, here's a little pro tip for you. If you know that you're going to eventually go to paid, tell people when you're inviting them that this group will be paid in the future. And so they'll have a stronger incentive to join now. It puts urgency around why, like the big reason why they should join, because it's gonna be paid eventually. All right, and you can tell them you're gonna keep that price forever as long as you stay in, right? And so it gives them an incentive to stay and engage as well. So free, and then you switch to paid. Now after that point, anyone who joins now joins the party late after the party's already booming, and then you charge ticket for entry. Right? And that's recurring monthly. So that's option 2. Option 3 is that you keep your free community, right? You keep the same free community, and then you just start a second community where people can choose to join at a price of some sort. And you might get additional features, additional access, additional events, additional content, whatever, that